In this video, I'm making a shampoo for animals, for cats, for dogs, for any kind of animal. I'm making it because we all love animals, and just like us, they can suffer from mosquito, flea, or tick bites. And just like us, some of them have health problems that would lead to skin conditions. All those inconveniences must be addressed. So these soaps are formulated with all the above in mind. Well, the health of our four-legged friend's coat depends on a lot of factors. Some of them are dust, smoke, parasites, internal or external. If you wash your pet too often, it also contributes to how fast the coat becomes oily or stinky, because every time you give your pet a bath, you affect the natural pH balance and strip away oils. Often animals smell more while shedding. All that has to be done is just more brushing, because the follicles of the dead hair are responsible for the smell. This particular shampoo soap is totally vegan and cruelty free, and it's made all of natural ingredients such as coconut oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, and essential oils. And I love my dog, and she is 3 years old now, but she was washed probably 3 or 4 times. She's a farm dog, but she lives inside, and during the summer she is very clean, and the only place where she gets wet is the lake, and we have also creek running down here, so she loves spending time in the water. And basically that's all her bath. When she's shedding during the autumn and spring, I'm brushing her every single day, and I brush off or out lots of hair, but she is not getting stinky. Also, her coat is silky and nice, and during the winter I give her, I would call it snow bath. I would just ask her to lay down in the snow, and I would rub it all over, work into her fur coat, and she's not getting cold or anything. She actually thinks that this is some sort of a game. And also when it's a little bit warmer, we again go to the creek, and she's jumping there, so she's wet. And the time when she was washed, actually, it was when she found a dead deer probably, and she rolled in it, and she got washed only in places where she was stinky, but the rest of her body was just fine. I used a lot of essential oils in this shampoo, and I know for sure that 2 of them accelerate really badly. It's ylang and neem. That's why I took this mix only to the emulsion, and then I use the smaller blender because otherwise it would thicken up really fast and I would not be able to pour it into the molds. I use these green forms that I designed actually for cake, but I like make soap in it because it comes out kind of cute. And in the last picture you can see two types of soap. One is kind of pinkish and another one is green. So the green one has also neem powder besides neem essential oil. In conclusion, I think this shampoo would make a great alternative to a store-bought ones, and your animal would really appreciate it. Because I know that mine does. Please subscribe if you like the video. I will be posting more. Thank you for watching.